Well, hey again, everybody. This is an amendment to an earlier video where I showed this relay transfer box, and I missed something real important that you need to know. Uh, Being that this is a 120 volt system, when you tie this into a circuit breaker panel, you've got to make absolutely sure that you tie in to the proper leg. There's two legs in here. One is 120 and another one's 120, but the two of them combined is 220. And I made the mistake the first time I put this thing together of crossing one of the legs, and when I turned it on, I blew out the breaker. Not only that, but I fried the relay too. So, and you could, if you had your inverter hooked up, you probably could just as well fry the inverter too. So you got to be real careful when you're doing this. So make sure when you tie a homemade box like this into your circuit panel, that you test all the legs that you're tying into and make sure they're all on the same leg. If you don't, you're going to have a disaster. And that's all I got to say about that. Over and out.